In this lesson, we will see together the possessive pronouns, but we'll see more precisely les nôtres. So, of course, the question is, what are the possessive pronouns? Well, they replace a noun previously mentioned to avoid repetition. This is the concept of the pronouns in French to replace a noun that was mentioned. They are used to indicate ownership or possession. So that's the important thing, and that's the reason why we call them possessive pronouns. And the last thing that is quite important, they agree in gender and numbers with the thing or things being possessed. So you will have to choose your pronouns according to the gender and the number of the things they replace. So this lesson is about les nôtres. And the possessive pronoun les nôtres can be translated into English as ours, our own, or our ones, depending on the context. And don't forget that les nôtres can be féminin, masculin, but it is pluriel. So we'll see some examples with les nôtres. Leurs équipes sont compétitives, mais les nôtres sont plus expérimentées. Leurs équipes sont compétitives, mais les nôtres sont plus expérimentées. Vos suggestions sont bonnes, mais les nôtres sont plus adaptées. Vos suggestions sont bonnes, mais les nôtres sont plus adaptées. Ces méthodes sont efficaces, mais les nôtres sont plus structurées. Ces méthodes sont efficaces, mais les nôtres sont plus structurées. Vos idées sont originales, mais les nôtres sont plus novatrices. Vos idées sont originales, mais les nôtres sont plus novatrices.